How to connect Porkbun domain to Cloudflare pages. So make sure your Porkbun is already ready, and with that, the domain from your Porkbun as well. So you can go ahead to the products over here, go to the domains, and just get your new domain name and of course its additional details. Once you get it, you should be able to get those. But in your Cloudflare, just go ahead to your build or whatever app or page you're going for. Go to the workers and pages, and of course, choose the page you're going to add this domain. In your specific page, you're going to have to navigate yourself into your settings or the domains and routes. But that depends on you. But anyways, in your domains and routes, go ahead and choose the add option over here and then just choose the custom domain. Now, once you press on custom domain, just go ahead and put in your specific URL for your domain or your host name, of course, and then just press on add domain. But that's the general idea on how you can connect your Porkbun domain to a specific page on your Cloudflare. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.